It's got more deeper. It's more fun when it got more deeper and still the same height. It's more fun when it's deeper. Wait, it got deeper for you? It got deeper for you? Yeah. Look at my hand. It's already I am going to North Pole. That part is deeper. This part is colder. Yeah, get colder. Get different. That part is deep. It's deep. It's not deep. Just look and floating. You got Mommy. Deeper than that. Oh. Wow. Let's have a race. Look at this. Look at this. Wait. You're putting water in my bag. Again, it's going in your bag. Oh no. Look how deep it is. It's getting deeper. Actually, this side is deeper. The one going to the stairs is deeper. I like this part. It's North Pole.
Why it's North Pole?
It's cold. I'm a polar bear. I belong to North Pole. North Pole. Deeper. North Pole. What are you doing in my North Pole? It's my North Pole. Okay, that's South Pole. Mine is North Pole.
Why your voice is like that?
Go to my South Pole. No, not the hot one. The cold one. Will polar bear live like me? If you like polar bear, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to there. I'm going to the hot place. I want to go to the cold. It's so cold.